Some mornings you don't need a reason to go. You just need the right boat. This is the Sunseeker 65 Sport Yacht. Built-in pool on England's south coast by people who've been chasing this feeling for decades. Sculpted glass, a low sporty profile, a shape built for the days that start before the marina wakes up. Twin pod drives give you plenty of power to run before the afternoon weather builds. You're past the breakwater and into open water before most people finish their coffee. Cruise all day, cover real distance, and still have fuel for wherever the afternoon takes you. The garage opens into a full beach club, swim platform drops, paddleboard comes out. You're in the water in minutes, with a grill and a fridge waiting when you climb back up. The sky helm drops low when you want to feel every knot, and rises when you're threading into a marina. The foredeck lounge is built for the slow float back after a run. Full beam master below means the boat sleeps as well as it moves. 3 cabins standard, 4 when you need the room, so the whole crew comes along. This isn't a day boat pretending to be more. It's built to actually live on. Sunset, anchored somewhere quiet, plates out on the cockpit table, the water still warm from the afternoon swim. That's the day this boat is built for. Not a boat you look at on a Saturday. A boat you're on by 8 in the morning and still on when the sun goes down. That's the whole idea. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.